यो हेरौं, तिमीलाई यो नसोधी लिने अधिकार कसले दियो? Who gave you the right to take it without asking? Who gave you the right to take it without asking? Right को अर्थ यहाँ अधिकार हुन्छ. Who gave you the right to take it without asking? उत्तर हेरौं यसको. माफ गर, म फेरि यस्तो गर्ने छैन. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. I'm sorry, I won't do it again. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आउनुहोस् आज यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण प्रश्न उत्तरको अभ्यास गरौं. Are you ready? Let's continue. तिमीलाई एक्लै जान डर लाग्दैन? Aren't you afraid of going alone? Aren't you afraid of going alone? यसको एउटा राम्रो उत्तर हेरौं. आफ्नो डरलाई जित्न सिक्नुहोस्. Learn to overcome your fear. Learn to overcome your fear. Overcome fear भनेको डरलाई जित्नु. Learn to overcome your fear. के हामी यो मान्छेलाई भरोसा गर्न सक्छौं? Can we trust this person? Can we trust this person? अब यसको उत्तर हेरौं. ऊ हामीलाई लुट्न चाहन्छ. No, he wants to swindle us. No, he wants to swindle us. Swindle कसैको विश्वास जितेर अथवा फकाइफुलाई गरेर लुट्नु. No, he wants to swindle us. Don't you want anything else? तिमीलाई अरु केही चाहिदैन र? Don't you want anything else? यसको पनि एउटा राम्रो उत्तर हेरौं. मसँग जे छ त्यसमै खुसी छु. I am happy with what I have. I am happy with what I have. अर्को प्रश्न अब. तिमीले कुन चाहिँ छान्यौ? Which one did you choose? Which one did you choose? मैले सबैभन्दा राम्रो चाहिँ छाने. I chose the best one. I chose the best one. Choose भनेको छान्नु र यहाँ हामीले chose भन्यौं. त्यो choose को past tense हो, verb to form हो र त्यसको अर्थ हुन्छ छाने. I chose the best one. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and Hamro online class if you haven't subscribed already. र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टी पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. अगाडि बढौं. Let's move forward. के तपाईले पार्टीमा रमाइलो गर्नुभयो? Did you have fun at the party? Did you have fun at the party? मलाई पार्टीमा मजा आएन. No, I didn't enjoy the party. No, I didn't enjoy the party. Enjoy भनेको मजा लिनु. No, I didn't enjoy the party. तिम्रो मनमा के चलिरहेको छ? What's going on in your mind? What's going on in your mind? म परीक्षा पास गर्ने तरिका सोच्दै छु. I am thinking of a way to pass the test. Test भनेको परीक्षा. I am thinking of a way to pass the test. के तपाईलाई भूतमा विश्वास लाग्दैन? Don't you believe in ghosts? Don't you believe in ghosts? उत्तरमा मैले भूत देखे भने विश्वास गर्नेछु. I will believe in ghosts if I see one. I will believe in ghosts if I see one. तिमीले उनलाई सत्य कुरा किन भन्यौ? Why did you tell her the truth? Why did you tell her the truth? उनले आफ्नो आँसु रोक्न सकिनन्. She could not hold back her tears. She could not hold back her tears. यहाँ hold back her tears को अर्थ हुन्छ आँसु रोक्नु. Couldn't hold back her tears भनेको चाहिँ आँसु रोक्न नसकेको, सकिनन्. She could not hold back her tears. ऊ किन ढिलो घर फर्कियो? Why did he arrive home late? Why did he arrive home late? अब यसको उत्तरमा फर्कदा उसको बाइक हिलोमा अड्कियो. His bike got stuck in the mud while returning. His bike got stuck in the mud while returning. Stuck भनेको अड्किएको अथवा फसेको. His bike got stuck in the mud while returning. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. मैले सुनेको कि तिमी उसलाई मन पराउँदैनौ. किन? I heard you don't like him. Why? I heard you don't like him. Why? उत्तरमा अब म बोलिरहेको बेला ऊ सधैँ बीचमा बाधा पुर्याउँछ. He always interrupts me while I am speaking. He always interrupts me while I am speaking. Interrupt भनेको बाधा पुर्याउनु. He always interrupts me while I am speaking. तिमीले मलाई चिनेनौ? Didn't you recognize me? Didn't you recognize me? Recognize भनेको चिन्नु. Didn't you recognize me? मैले चिने, म तिमीलाई भुल्न सक्दिन. I did. I can't forget you. I did. I can't forget you. मानौ तपाईले चिन्नु भएन सुरुमा. तपाई यसरी भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ, मैले सुरुमा तिमीलाई चिनिन. I didn't recognize you at first. I didn't recognize you at first. मैले दिएको काम तिमीले किन गरेनौ? Why didn't you do the work that I had given you? Why didn't you do the work that I had given you? उत्तरमा माफ गर, मैले बिर्सेँ. I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot. तिमी मलाई किन बेवास्ता गर्दैछौ? Why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me? Ignore भनेको बेवास्ता गर्नु. Why are you ignoring me? सबै समस्याको जड तिमी नै हौ. You are the root of all problems. You are the root of all problems. अर्को प्रश्न हेरौं अब. के तपाई यसलाई गोप्य राख्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you please keep this a secret? Can you please keep this a secret? यसको उत्तर यो रहस्य हामी बीच रहनु पर्छ. The secret should remain between us. The secret should remain between us. अर्को पनि उत्तर अरु कसैले यसको बारेमा थाहा पाउनु हुँदैन. Nobody else should know about it. Nobody else should know about it. Nobody else भनेको अरु कोही अथवा अरु कसै. Nobody else should know about it. के म आज राति बाहिर जान पाउँछु? Can I go out tonight? Can I go out tonight? मलाई खबर नगरी बाहिर नजाऊ. Don't go out without informing me. Don't go out without informing me. तिमी चिन्तित देखिन्छौ. के भयो? You look worried. What's the matter? You look worried. What's the matter? यसको उत्तरमा अब I am worried about my interview. I am worried about my interview. तिमी किन काम्दैछौ? Why are you shivering? Why are you shivering? Shiver भनेको काप्नु. Why are you shivering? म चिसोले कामिरहेको छु. I am shivering with cold. I am shivering with cold. के तपाईलाई नयाँ कुराहरू सिक्न मन पर्छ? Do you like learning new things? Do you like learning new things? अब यसको उत्तरमा हो, मलाई नयाँ कुराहरू सिक्न धेरै मन पर्छ. Yes, I love learning new things. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have a wonderful day.